Now, at total level, everybody thinks, or 54% of the voter population thinks Raila will win this election. 43% think William Ruto will win the election. Only 1.6% think Wajakoya will win this election, and 0.1% think Maure Wahiga would win this election. But let us look at Raila Odinga's voters, those who would vote for Raila Odinga. 97% think he will win the election, But 3% of those who would vote for Raila think William Ruto will win this election. When you look at William Ruto supporters, 8% think Raila will win this election. When you look at those who told us that they don't know or they're undecided, 62% think Raila will win this election. And those who refused to answer us, 54% think that Raila will win this election. So in one way or another, we think even with the undecided or undeclared voters, we can still feel where their intention is. And if we go by this result, then the perception, the voter perception out there is that Raila will win this election at the first round.